Titled The Right to be Heard, the report focuses on youth in the province and what they need for their well-being. The main challenges they encounter are substance use, mental health and well-being, poverty, and violence. According to youth advocate Ainsley Crone, when asked for solutions, 79% of youth identified the need for more mental health and addiction services in Manitoba.
That's another really key thing that that we're hoping comes out of a report like this, is that it provides organizations, youth-serving organizations, governments of all levels, whether it's Indigenous governments, whether it's the provincial government, federal government, whoever, anyone who has influence over the lives of young people, in the lives of young people, that there's information in this report that can be useful for you.
The Manitoba Advocate for Children and Youth heard directly from 293 youth in 63 locations through focus groups and an online survey.
They identify ideas and solutions that I think can be really inspiring for those of us who hold positions where we have influence in the lives of young people, where we have the ability to make decisions that impact the lives of children. This is really a call to action and a challenge in some ways to all of us to really listen to the voices of young people in the work that we do every day.
Sophia Stang is part of the Youth Ambassador Advisory Squad that helped provide youth input into the project.
What our group does is we just provide youth input on current events and reports that everybody's working on, and we get together and we kind of share our points of view, and we to share what life looks like as a youth right now.
Indigenous youth, youth living in northern Manitoba, youth in custody, and youth who have immigrated to Canada gave feedback.
This report that we're talking about today is kind of reaches out to youth all over Manitoba. So it gets an even larger view of what's going on in the province and different communities, because we all the communities have their separate struggles that we can't always provide input and insight on.
While Crone will not make any formal recommendations from the report, she hopes governments and decision makers use it to take action. Daryl Stranger, APTN National News, Winnipeg.